Hello friends, Sasha with Harmony Air over here. Just wanted to share with you today another PomCube installation. Just a couple of interesting things. I'm not going to repeat the stuff that um, I already talked about in the previous videos, but just a couple of small things that worth mentioning. Sorry, first of all, sorry that the light conditions are not the best. The system is installed in a crawl space, which is quite a large space actually, so it's more like a huge mechanical room, but nevertheless, the light conditions are not the best. So here's an advantage of a PomCube that we didn't talk about before. It's the fact that this battery cabinet right here and the inverter unit, which is PomCube called UPCS, they actually are two separate cabinets, and they can be linked together into one. And so in all my previous reviews, you can see that they're kind of they look like seamless single unit. But over here, we didn't have the height to be able to have the inverter mounted directly onto the battery. And plus, even if you did have this headroom, the inverter would be like so high that it would be difficult to do the wiring and just monitoring or get into the wiring compartment. So over here, it actually made sense, and it was necessary to separate the two. And here you go. The inverter is mounted over there, closer to the main panel and a critical load panel, which is outside. And the battery cabinet is mounted about 6 feet away. The floor here is not straight. Well, there's no floor, just dirt. I mean, slope. And so we had to make some hefty bracket to support the battery cabinet. Just use strut channel, works just fine. The battery cabinet is about 400 pounds. So if you do end up making any kind of supports like this, make sure that it can do that for you. So I guess this is a short overview. Just wanted you guys to see that this is available. Theoretically, we are allowed to connect to a single battery. We are allowed to connect two UPCS units. Why would you want to do that? If you needed to get more solar, you could do that, because each UPCS has its own limitation. But you don't have to double up on the battery if you don't need it. I would say there are advantages of having two separate systems with each one its own battery, but each battery, of course, it's a extra cost. So this is an option, and if needed, it can be used. So I guess that would be it for today. Another thing to share, the updates are available. So the updates can be done over the air for those systems, but also sometimes it's actually more advantageous to do a local update. So I have USBs with files preloaded. It just goes way faster, and the critical load is not going to keep losing power like 5 times during the update. So typically what we do is we install the system, install all this firmware updates, and then transition the critical loads into the into the critical load panel. Once again, I think that's it for today, and thanks for checking in. Bye-bye.